Hi guys, good morning. My name is Maria and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you know that we discuss trading situations and you're welcome to my studio. You're welcome to stay here and to get some rules how I trade. You know that I'm an independent trader. I do not work with companies. I work for myself and I have a huge YouTube channel for Russian speaking people. I have Telegram channel, Russian Traders Club, and here I just repeat what I do for Russian traders because I know that you know that I moved from one place and now I'm in another country, and there are a lot of English-speaking people around me who also need some help, who also need some advices, ideas, what to buy, what to sell, and what I'm planning to do, and what I really want to do is to make some trading ideas that you can use not right now but maybe in like 4 hours after you see my video, maybe in 8 hours after you see my video. Like in February we were buying Microsoft and now Microsoft got reached our target, so my congratulations. For almost like 2 months we got our really good profit for Microsoft. That's what I want to do for you here. So like I give you trading idea, for example, to sell United States dollar with the Canadian dollar, and now you see how it's going down. So under 125 we are selling up to 122, and now we are in profit for like 200 pips. It's really good. So that is something that I want to do here so that you can use it even today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. And with my help you make a huge amount of deals, but not because you just want to buy something, because you know what you buy or what you sell and why you do that. That's what my reason to make this project, and I want people to become, you know, like a smart traders, smart investors. And around me there are a lot of people who trade, and I communicate with really interesting people who know that trading is a life. So you're welcome to stay here and make trading your life as well. Here we'll discuss now the technical situation for some instruments. I know. Well, you know, I work with the forex all the time. But you know, people around me use stock. You trade NASDAQ. So I feel like you need more of that information. But also, I want to add what I know. So maybe you make diversification for what you do. Let's go to charts, and what I can show you about, for example, the Canadian dollar, that it's going down. Current price is 123 and our target goes to 122.70, and after that it goes to 121.60. Pay attention to one is the technical reason is that the bottom part of 2018 is one of the targets, but after that price may go to the lowest price in 2017. So those are our targets, and that's why we keep selling United States dollar with the Canadian dollar. On daily chart it goes really good down, and this was our entry point yesterday. So before we were selling from 125. You can check my previous videos and you'll see that. So for Canadian dollar there is no buy signal right now and it's going down, so it's really good to keep selling this instrument. If we go to S&P 500, my congratulations, right now it's 4,200 and it goes to 4,220. So your target is 4,220. It's really close right now, I know, but that's something that we discussed from here, from 4,000. From here, I was telling you where to buy and where to hold. So you can check my previous videos, and that's what you will see, that we were buying from here, but in previous years also we worked with this instrument. But if we discuss current situation or something that happened in the nearest past, so this is something that we were using as an entry point, and now right now price is near the target. Does it mean that they will sell from there? No, because look here. This is the second target, 4,384. Check it out. So when they pass the first target, they will go to second target. So pay attention to that. About NASDAQ, our target is really close to current price. It's 14,130. It is really close to current price, 14,000. But next target is 15,170. I know here's a big question about something that Joe Biden says, and here's a big question about the inflation risks, and this is something we should think about opening new deals, because now investors are like, you know, searching for a reason to stay in a market, to stay in all deals for stock market. they're like trying to find some reason not to sell them. That is why please be careful. And you also have to remember that now it is the end of April. We're coming closer and closer to the May. And you know this phrase, sell in May and go away, and this is something that we can get in May. So you have to be careful, because price may, like even jump above our levels, and in second or third day they will go down and start to go down, down, down. So please pay attention to any deals that you make, because all prices are really close to good levels of resistance. If they keep going up, you know the target. So for NASDAQ it's like 15,140. If we go to American dollar index, look here, they reached on 4-hour chart, they reached my target. That's right here, 90.56. We got this target. Pay attention that they made gap here. You can see that they made gap near my target. And now they're coming back. So for today, tomorrow, what I'm following is this level of resistance, 90.66. And if they test it, and from here they give me a rebound and go down, so this will be the moment for me to sell again with the target right here, 90.10. This is the next target for me to sell American dollar index. And due to this fact, we will work with the euro dollar as well. Right now they're testing 121.10. Look here, this is the maximum price of April 26, and this is something that I'm going to pay attention to. If they test this area, and this is something that they are doing right now, stochastic oscillator is on the bottom part. You can go here, you see this? Stochastic is with a 14.35 period. You can check it like this. I think so. Yes, like this. So this is stochastic oscillator. Period K is 14, period D is 3, and here you put 5. Prices low, high. You can put close if you want. It's not that different, Seriously, it's not that different. But some people like, to make it really the same. I don't really care, because it's not that different, and it's just a help. The stochastic oscillator is just a help for me, but not something that I use in the first row. So right now for euro dollar, if they test this area 121.10 and they don't break, they give me a rebound, and American dollar index is testing the level of resistance, this will be a moment for us to buy with the target 121.50 and 122. So this is something that I'm going to do for euro. About gold, let's talk about gold, because there are a lot of people who are interested in. And I think yesterday we had a video with you. Yes, we did discuss, because I know for 100% that I made a video for Russian auditorium. So look here, we got a really good entry point. We bought gold yesterday. This was entry point. They went up. They reached our target 1785. My target was 1785. Really good. Right now they're going down. When can we buy? Is it possible to wait for higher prices? Yes, right now I'm showing you that support 1775, 1775, 1776. This area is something that they may test, and from here go up to 1805. 1805. So right now they did not go through the maximum price, the maximum level of Ishimoku cloud. And after they go through this Ishimoku cloud, they will go to 1805. Gold is something really good that you can trade intraday for like 5-minute chart. You can use same rules that I'm telling you about. On my channel, you can find a video about the technical rules for the trend line. Go through those videos. Trend lines. It's really good. It's something that you have to use for all your life if you're a trader. And look here, I just made a trend line from yesterday. It goes up, they break it, and they start to go down. And in this moment, we can use 200 moving average and all those trend lines as a target. So there was a signal for us to sell from 1785, and now they may go to 1775. This is something that you can trade with only one rule, the trend line. So yeah, it's good. And right now, if we are talking with you about long positions, this is area 1775 where we will start to go. If they give us a rebound, we'll start to go up and buy this instrument. Okay, and now we can go to Oh, Brent is not on this chart. Okay, I can change the picture, and now you'll see Brent. It's right here. I hope yes. No, it's not. Wait. Just a moment. Yes, I see Brent already. Yes, it's right here. So for Brent, yesterday we also discussed with you this situation, and our level of resistance was like 67.20. You can see this magic situation. They can't go through this level. So I told you about 67.20 area, and they can't go through this area. So it is really good for us to see that they give us a rebound for the first time, they knock again, and from the third time they will break it. So above 67.20, please buy with the target like 70. It may go up to that price. So right now they're not giving a good rebound, so there is no reason to be afraid that they will not go through. Why 70? Due to different technical reasons. My target is 70, but I'm gonna lead it with a like 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart. With all those tendencies, I will make like that. So they break the 67.20 area, they stay above this area, and I will wait. If they not break the tendency, if they break the tendency, we quit, we go out of this deal. So this is something that you can use and trade with. Right now there is no sell signal for Brent, but if they don't go through the 67.20 area, I'm not gonna buy, I'm not gonna sell, because I'm gonna wait for a good signal for them, either to wait and show me something for long positions or something for short positions. Right now the only one opportunity is to see when they break 67.20 area and go up. Okay, so this is something that may work for us. Oh, by the way, about Tesla, oh my God, Tesla is going down. It's like 694 already, and it's not really good for us, but we were buying it right here, like 5,800. Someone bought it like 5,550 and so on. This was, you can see, this was our long positions area. I told you that this is our long positions area. It's right here. So we are in good profit. It's about, well, not the huge one, but it's around 15% of price went up, and now it's going down. It's not too good. What should we do? What should we be afraid of? We can draw same tendencies, and you can see with your eyes right now that this stock did not go through the tendency line. You can say that it's an accident. Oh, it's something that you will just found only here. No, it's not like that. It is a rule that you will see everywhere. How far does it go? You also can make a tendency, and you can understand that 675.5 area is something where they may go to right now. So I'm not waiting for a huge sell position right now, and maybe I will stop my deals here if they go lower than this area, 675.5. So yeah, right now we're in profit, but it does not mean that we have just to hold it. Also, there are some bad news about the Microsoft, because yes, we bought it really good. We did a really good job with the long positions. My congratulations. This was our entry point, and right now it's well, we bought like 225, and now it's 254. It was 62. It was much better, but right now it's like that. Do they make us some bad signals? Not yet. Let's wait to the end of this week, to the end of Friday, and after that we decide what's going on with the Microsoft. Okay, so I'm not ready to say that this is a reason for us to quit those positions. And well, stock market makes different gaps. Okay, whatever. I'm not gonna be, like afraid of that or just quit trading. It's still okay to wait for them to go higher, because our target for Microsoft goes, oh my God, it goes really far. Let me show you. So this was like our first target, and our second target goes to 284, and third target 316 goes. So yeah, this is something that we are gonna wait for. Okay, that's pretty much it. I showed you a lot of situations that you can use for trading, and I hope that you lead my ideas, that you bring my ideas with you, how to trade with the trend lines, how to use those Ishimoku clouds and the Fibonacci extension and all those stochastic oscillators. You're really welcome to use them. For many years, this is something that I'm spread around for my Russian speaking traders, and you are gonna do the same. You will learn how to do it. It is really easy. You go through big frames, you go to down to lower time frames, and you trade intraday knowing what's the risk on a bigger time frames and what is the tendency on a bigger time frame. So stay with me here, and from day to day I will be giving you same rules, and you will just get used that it works like that, and you will use it also with me. So see you later. Join my Telegram channel. You are welcome to stay here on my YouTube, and I have also Instagram. It's Maria Forex Stock. Maria Forex Stock. You just type it and you'll find me. Join me there. So see you later, guys. Bye bye.